It's first thing in the morning. We got VIP privilege at the moment, waiting to see what trams are coming out of the shed this morning. That one's coming out in the boat. That'll be out later in a minute. Not too sure which other ones are coming out. Watch this space, folks. We got 4 trams out today, folks. Blackpool boats going out today. Here comes the first one, 106. We've been on that one before. Putting our chocks under the wheels at the moment. And we've got the Blackpool one over there warming his engine up. I said 4 trams, so that's 1 over there, and the boat is 2.
Leaving the power on through.
Now this is
Depot fans, down clear, please.
so this is what I do first thing in the morning. You'll go up there through the main gate. That's the first one. Which one's the next one, folks? Shall we have a guess and find out which one's the next one? Which one do you reckon it is, folks? Is it the red one? Sounds like a steam train. Which one is it? Number 74. That's a Sheffield one. carrying out some tests. And that one's quite tall, isn't it?
Tramway Road 6.
And the boat's coming out now. This one will be busy today.
Your rear sander's leaking. Sorry? Rear sander's leaking. Really? It was. You can see where it was.
I have no idea what a rear sander is, folks. And that tram is going up now.
No, I mean the pile by the wheel now. But yes, I presume that's from the same problem. I'm moving red 9, stand clear please.
And here comes that tram, the big one, the big tall one. Now that, to get up to the top floor, is going to be a bit awkward for me. And people with mobility problems. So that's 3 out of the 4. Which one's going to be number 4? Oh, that's that one. And that one at the back. I don't know if you can see it or not. So today I don't fancy going on the top deck of that one. It's too hot for that. This one's nice and got some fresh air, haven't we? If you sit in the front or back or anywhere. And then one behind that. That's quite a tall one as well. So out of the 4 trams today, my friends, I think this one might be the only one we get on, if we get on one at all. Yeah. And the fun fair is at the other end, which we'll go and see in a minute.
You do know it's break time again, don't you? Hey, every time yesterday I Really?
And now the engineer's coming round because there's some sort of leak somewhere apparently.
No, it's not empty, but it's not. It does occasionally. Well, occasionally they all have a go at staying open. It is staying open. Look, the sand was just dribbling down.
I don't know what it is they're talking about.
I'm moving, road 9, stand clear please.
And that's the 4 trams you got to. And that's the 4 trams you got today on the Bank Holiday Monday. Glasgow one, that one. Right folks, that's it. Catch you all in a minute.